Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action for Monday from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for all the time frames. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, we have Australian bank holiday and we have medium impact news for Chinese yuan. And at 10:30 p.m. we have medium impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. So since there are no any high impact news, we can again expect low volatility in gold tomorrow. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and when we look at the trading range in daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side retracement from the resistance level of 2074 on the bearish side retracement, and after testing the support level of 1623 we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and again we can clearly notice that the price action has bounced back from this previous resistance level of 2074. So this resistance zone is still very strong resistance for the current price action. So we have very strong resistance zone and very strong support zone. So when we closely look at the price action at this area, currently the price action is trading in a bearish trend. I have marked the lower resistance level and also the higher resistance level considering the weak portion over here. So only when the price action breaks this resistance line and candle closes above this resistance line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in daily time frame. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. And when we closely look at the level where the price action is taking support, it is taking support at the 50% of the Fibonacci's retracement level, which is around 1939, and next level of support is going to be around 1907, 1862 and 1804. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1971 and continues its bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 2009 and 2074. So this zone between 1971 to 1939 is acting as a very strong resistance and support zone. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side in order to get the confirmation on the directional trend start. So for now the trend in daily time frame is in a bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, from this resistance level of 2045, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bearish side retracement, and after testing this support level of 1940, we are noticing the price action to consolidate around this support level. It is trying to form a triple bottom pattern. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line from the daily time frame in order to get the confirmation on the formation of the triple bottom pattern, which means the trend reversal on the bullish side. If the trend reversal happens, the first level of resistance is going to be around 2010, and next level of resistance is going to be the level where it started its bearish side retracement, which is going to be around 2047. And if the price action fails to break this resistance zone, wait for the price action to break the support level of 1940 in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in 4 hours time frame. The price action is still consolidating within this rectangle pattern, which I had mentioned in the previous analysis videos also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we can clearly notice that it is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern or consolidating within a triangle pattern, and the trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a directional breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side, based on which you can make decisions on the directional trade in hourly time frame also. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1964 and support level of 1955. If the bearish side retracement continues, the next level of support is going to be around 1948, 1939, 1927, 1912 and 1904 on the bearish side. And if the price action gives a breakout from this current resistance level of 1964 on the bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1970, 1979, 1983, 1989, 2003 and 2021. So we are noticing a long consolidation around this area. Once the price action gives a directional breakout, we can expect a good directional momentum from this level on the bearish side or on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In the 4 hours time frame, the price action is trading within this rectangle pattern. And in the hourly time frame, we are noticing the price action to be trading within this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame and the resistance line from the daily time frame within a symmetric triangle pattern. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1961 and support level of 1956. If the price action continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1949 and 1939. And on the bullish side, if the price action gives a breakout from this current resistance level of 1961 on the bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1966, 1973 and 1983. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.